Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project so the update won't break anything. First, back up your project with Git or a zipped copy. This preserves scenes, assets, and settings. Next, check the SDK release notes to understand API changes and minimum Unity versions. This prevents surprises. Then download the SDK package or copy the UPM package URL. Having the file or URL ready speeds the process. Once done, close play mode and disable auto-compilation so you can update cleanly without half-compiled assemblies. You now install and migrate code. Open Window Package Manager and add the SDK via the UPM URL or import the downloaded Unity package. If the SDK uses assembly definitions, update manifest. JSON and SMDEF references so Unity resolves dependencies. Then let the compiler run and address errors. Each error points to obsolete methods or signature changes. Use the SDK docs to find replacements. Make incremental changes and recompile frequently. This isolates issues. Finally, update any editor scripts and rerun unit tests or play mode tests to verify behavior. You finish by validating the update across scenes and target platforms. Perform a development build and watch the runtime logs for warnings or exceptions. Once confident, update versioning, tag the commit, and document migration steps for teammates. If something breaks, use your backup to revert quickly, then bisect changes to locate the offending commit or API use. A key troubleshooting tip: enable full stack traces and search for specific exception messages. Most integration failures are missing configuration or obsolete initialization calls, and logs will reveal the exact failing step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.